me and Reggie here, my friend. We're gonna be celebrating the New Year's, hopefully like normal way. We got a good deal at the Days Inn. We booked for 2 nights, tonight and tomorrow, for $220. So that's a good. It's right on the boardwalk. So it should be
I
a
see the
great deal.
resorts there.
Yeah. Hey guys, we finally made it to Atlantic City. We got this hotel here for $100 per night for 2 people, so that's pretty good. That's about $50 a night. And yeah, we're staying here. We're like right next to the boardwalk and stuff like that. We got our own private bathroom here, 2 beds, a nice little fridge with some beers in it, a TV, and we got a nice little balcony here too. So yeah, come check it out. It's empty. Parking lot here looks like there isn't a lot of people. And we're gonna take advantage of the New Year's Eve we have so far. So we'll see you guys soon. Peace. Hey guys, how's it going? This is our second day here in Atlantic City. It's been a fun day, a fun time actually. We've been betting on sport games, basketball, soccer games, football games, and we also have been playing the roulette. The roulette has been really fun. My buddy here, Reggie, he just made like over $100 so far. So he's doing well. I lost 1 game, but I still have a few more bets. And yeah, we're gonna keep having fun. And I think we're having a great time, even though we have the pandemic going on. There's still, it's a bit crowded at the casinos and stuff. So
It's good numbers.
And yeah, we have some drone shots too. So we're gonna be publishing those with this video. So I hope you guys are enjoying this video. Thank you. So today is our last day in Atlantic City. We had a great time. We won, we lost and won, but mostly won. So that's a good thing. Heading back, we're heading to the casino to cash in our money that we won, some of the bets. And mostly won, yeah.
90%.
Hey guys, I just dropped off my friend Reggie at his house in Philly. So yeah, we had a great time in Atlantic City. It was a blast, and it was probably like the best thing we could have done for New Year's Eve. And I hope you guys subscribe, like, and share the video, and see you guys on the next one. Bye bye.